2022. Okay? Because of that, here are the 12 productivity habits to win back your time and life and be a greater version of you in 2022. Parang 12 days of Christmas, di ba? Number 1, break it up, break it up, break it up. Okay, may tanong ako, how do you eat an elephant? Paano nyo kainin ng elepante? Sige nga, sagutin nyo. Paano nyo? Chat your answers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You cook, slice it, and cook. Sige, how do you eat an elephant? Kill first. Open your mouth, chop, chop. Sige, go, go. Lutuin, patayin. Grabe kayo ha. Slice and cook, steam. Okay. Wala pang tumatama. I don't eat elephant. Kill it first. Hulihin elephant. Chew. Ay, ayan, may sumagot na. Piece by piece. Very good. Okay, sulat niyo to. One bite at a time. Siyempre naman, if you think only, of only the end goal, it seems impossible. Tama ba? But break it up into smaller tasks and you feel empowered by beginning projects. So, sa ganitong paraan po if there's a small failure along the way, hindi na halatang palpak o may problema. It's easier to manage and correct, and before you know it, you'll back on the right path to your goal. Okay? Number 2, preparation is key. Ayan. Totoo ito sa bawat sulok at aspect ng buhay natin, Kung nagdadala ka ng baon mo sa trabaho, mas maganda kung i-ready mo na siya the night before, di ba? Prepare mo na. Siyempre, it will save your precious time and anxiety the following day.